Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a delicious egg curry which is prepared in a very unique way. Raw eggs are dropped one at a time into a tangy hot boiling curry. The eggs give an irresistible flavor to this tasty coconut-based curry. Our recipe for today is Goan egg drop curry. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 6 eggs. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 120 ml of warm water. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Take 8 Kashmiri red chilies which will give a nice red color. 2 Bedgi red chilies which are medium spicy. 6 cloves of garlic which are of medium size. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Break the Kashmiri red chilies and Bedgi chilies into smaller pieces. Cut the garlic cloves into pieces. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 2 medium-sized onions finely cut. 1 medium-sized tomato finely cut. Take a small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut them fine. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Step 2. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the grated coconut. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Cut pieces of red chilies. Coriander seeds. Cut pieces of garlic cloves. Cumin or jeera seeds. Add the soaked tamarind along with the water, but discard the seeds and the shells. Add half cup or 120 ml of water. Grind to a very fine paste or the curry will feel coarse and grainy. We added another half cup of water while grinding. Curry paste is ready. Step 3. Preparing the egg drop curry. Place an open thick bottom pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and stir. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the onions and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook the onions until they are golden brown.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the onions turn golden brown, add the tomato and stir. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add half cup or 120 ml of water to soften the tomato faster. Cover the pan and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Onions and tomatoes have to be fully mashed before adding the curry paste or the curry will be coarse. Once done, add the curry paste and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Use half cup or 120 ml of water to rinse the curry paste that is left in the mixer and add it to the curry. Add half cup or 120 ml of water. Add another half cup or 120 ml of water. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Check the consistency. If required, add little more water. Cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes and bring to a boil. After 4 to 5 minutes, open the pan, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add the sugar and stir. Once the curry is boiling, break each egg, place it in a bowl and then carefully drop the egg into the boiling curry. Do this for each of the eggs. Do not try to break the egg directly over the pan as pieces of the shell may fall into the curry. Try and drop the eggs away from each other. Do not stir the curry with a spatula or spoon as the eggs will break. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the pan. Just swirl the pan a little bit to ensure the curry or eggs don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Lightly move the eggs. This will prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Garnish with finely cut coriander leaves.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Egg drop curry is ready. Enjoy this delicious Goan egg drop curry with your family and friends. Serve the egg drop curry hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you love watching our detailed recipe videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.